In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror caps on this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located at the top part of the outside rear view mirrors. Let's get into it. I'm just using a trim tool. I'm just going to go underneath the base of the cap. Just pop it out. Just come around the top and just pop it up. Oops. Pop it up and it comes right out. It's clipped in at the base there. A couple tabs at the top that just slide up. Now take the new cap, line it up on the top, slide that in place. Just clip it in. You can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.